What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Google AI Studio to generate voiceovers for free. Firstly, open your browser and head to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and once inside, click Create or New Project. Choose a model that supports text-to-speech. Now in the input box, type or paste the script you want to turn into voiceover. Look for settings like audio or speech output and text-to-speech. Select a voice style if captions are available. And then click Generate. The AI will convert your text into speech automatically. Just play the generated audio. Download it for use in videos, reels, or content. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.